I'm market director at Nylon, and in my spare time, drummer of Vomit Face. Welcome to my home. We'll be going through some of my favorite clothes. My favorite piece of clothing, I think, would have to be this Prada banana shirt. I love the print. I mean, it was everywhere, but I still haven't gotten sick of it. I just love the shape and just the feeling of the collection, the colors. That you can throw it on, you can dress it up, or just wear it with like some boyfriend jeans. So I like to have fun with fashion, have a sense of humor about it. I mean, it perfectly encapsulates what I'm about. It's print, it's color, it's fun, it's not too serious. Denim is like a big part of my wardrobe. This is one of my favorite pieces, and the color really makes it for me. I mean, I love the ruffle, but I just love how vibrant the red is. But to me, since the color is so important, keeping it vibrant is also very important. And the shape. With denim, you have to be really careful when you wash it. And so, you know, do the cold rinse and use something really great like method that keeps it bright so you can love it forever and wear it forever.